Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana, and today we will discuss about a virtual program which is from Goldman Sachs. But before that, I want to request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for future updates and placement related videos. And also you can hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So recently I have posted a video from Goldman Sachs for the summer internship. So if you have not watched that yet, then you can watch that. And आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं गोल्डमैन सैक्स इंजीनियरिंग वर्चुअल प्रोग्राम के बारे में. तो हम बात करेंगे इसके एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया और इसकी क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं इन सब के बारे में. सो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए. So this is the engineering virtual program, and this is free for all the students, and this virtual program is free, and this program is self-paced, and it takes approximately 2 hours to complete this virtual experience program and get the practical skills and experience from Goldman Sachs. And you can use this experience on your resume. So when you complete this program, this will be an add-on to your resume, because from this program you will get some practical experience of working, and that will be helpful in your future jobs. Okay, now this is, they have given that why you should join virtual experience program. So this is that from automated trading to managing data, risk analysis to safeguarding information and programming, promoting environment sustainability. Their commitment is to best class technology, provides Goldman Sachs with a competitive edge. Okay, so this program will, these are the benefits of this engineering virtual program. So first of all, you will get to do it in your own time. So you don't have any timing restrictions. आप जब भी फ्री हैं उस टाइम में आप इसको कर सकते हैं. So fit the engineering virtual program in with your busy schedule, learn at your own pace and reach your personal goals. Okay, so basically इफ़ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट और आपके पास टाइम नहीं रहता ज़्यादा, तो जब भी आपको टाइम मिले उस टाइम में आप कर सकते हैं इसको. इसके और भी अदर बेनिफिट्स हैं, जैसे कि आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. So when you complete the engineering virtual program, you will earn a personalized completion certificates to share with prospective employees at your professional network. So when you go for jobs, or if you are already a job, you are working already, you can share this experience with your company, and that will be beneficial for you. Now discover if this career is for you. So nearly 50% of the hours are awake are spent at work. So discover if this is the right career path for you. So from this you will get to know if you are comfortable and if you want to work in this field or not. Okay, now set yourself up for the success. No more applying for jobs without knowing what the role involves, and build the confidence and practical skills that employers are looking for. Then gain real work experience. Throughout the engineering virtual program, you will develop deep insights into what it is actually like to work at Goldman Sachs. Okay, so you will get a lot of experience from this. Now make your CV and LinkedIn stand out. So you will be able to include this experience on your CV and LinkedIn profile, and demonstrate that you are ambitious, hardworking, and have developed valuable practicals. Okay, now to complete this virtual experience program, you need to just crack leaked password database. This is a kind of assessment, you can say, or kind of like assignment you will be assigned. So you need to do this, or you need to complete this thing here. Only one task is available here. So this is a self-paced program, and it takes approximately 2 hours to complete this virtual experience program. Okay, so basically this is one and only task available for this virtual engineering program. And to complete this, you need to first register yourself for this program. So they have not given any eligibility criteria here, and this is free for all the students. So whoever are interested in applying for this program, you can apply for this. No batch criteria or no graduation or no degree criteria here given. Okay, so if you are a student, then that will be definitely gonna help you in future, and if you are not a student, then also you can apply. That will be added on to your resume. Okay, now this link will be in the description box. I will provide this in the description box. You need to go to the link and click on this register now button, and register yourself for this engineering virtual program. And after registration, you will get a mail or something, and you need to complete this one assessment kind of thing. So when you complete it, and when you crack that, then you will earn a certificate. And also there will be so much experience involved in this, like you will get so much experience while working on this is a 2 hours program basically, but it has a lot of benefits available. So do register yourself for this program. Okay, so this is all for today's video. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates, and also hit the bell icon if you do not want to miss future updates, and follow us on Instagram for quick updates. And I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.